So what's going on? It's your boy KV on, and today's video is going to be a pick 3. I'm going to show y'all, if you watched my last 2 videos, I showed y'all the pick 4 only using 2 pairs. Today's video, I'm going to show y'all the pick 3 also works using only 2 pairs. So I have 2 different examples. This is going to be the original way it came out, 657. And this is going to be flipped. I want to show you 2 different ways that you can come about getting your answer. So 9-6, midday, New York, we had 657. Again, as usual, you're going to minus and plus. Minus the first column, plus the second column. And again, you're going to find your box and your slanted mirrors. Same thing as the pick 4 in my last 2 videos. My last 2 uploads, I showed y'all the pick 4 with the slanted and box. Pick 3 does the same thing. It's just a box first and then the slanted box. You know what I'm saying? So once you find that, this is important. So now we have repeats. Once you find your box and your slanted mirror, just look around your grid first for your repeats. We have repeats 2002. That's a repeat, 2002. Now, what I want you to do is use the numbers in between the repeats. So you're going to use the box number. We have 8. Then above it, we have a 9. And going in between the 02 repeats, we have a 1. So we knew for 9-7, it came out 981. That would have been one of our number selections. Again, we have repeats. You're going to go in the middle of the repeats to pick your numbers. But if you look at this, you see the pattern? 8, 9, 1. And it still uses a slanted. So we have 1. It goes through the repeats, 9, 8, end off in a box mirror. So again, this is how you would have picked your numbers. Remember, you're going to use the numbers in between the repeats, 20. So we have 198, 193. So you would use the numbers in between the repeats with the box mirror. So that's how you get your 3 number selection, 198, 193. And then you'll come down here and do the same thing. So now we move on over here to show you that 657, this was kind of hard. This is the harder way. This is the easier way. Hard, easy. So what you would do would flip 657, would have just put 567. Just flip it. Nothing changes. You don't use that third column. You cut that out. Now, remember, this was minus, plus, plus, minus. So you're going to plus, boom, till we get back to 5, 6 at the bottom. You're going to minus till we get back to 5, 6 at the bottom. So now remember, I showed y'all in between the repeats, you had the hits. Now when you do your rundown, you get your box, you get your slanted, your box. Now if you look at this, the repeats, we have 9119. Those are the repeats. But look what it connects to. It connects to your box mirror. So we have 198, 193. Again, the bottom numbers is always repeats. So if you look at this like this, don't get confused. It's a repeater. You see how 19 repeats at the bottom? So you'll come here, same thing. 643, 648. That would have been your 4 number selections. Remember, again, the bottom numbers of the slanted mirror is always going to repeat. That's what you got to look for. If it repeats at the bottom, it's going to repeat at the top. You know what I'm saying? If it repeats at the bottom, it's going to repeat at the top. So you don't have to worry about that. So once you get to your repeaters, remember, you come over here. The hits was in the middle of the repeats. But when you flip it, the hits are going to be the repeat. So this is much easier. Again, 5, 6, 7, put it through your rundown. You're not going to use that last row. You're going to get that out of there till we get back to 5, 6 at the bottom, plus, minus. So once you find your slanted and your box, slanted, box, if you're doing it this way with the flip, you're only going to use the repeats. So we have 6, 4 repeating, and we have 9, 1 repeating. But if you look at it, it connects. So this is much easier than this. We have 1, 9, 8, 1, 9, 3, 6, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. And we all know it came out 9, 8, 1 for New York City. Very simple. This way was a little harder, but if you look at it, you'll catch it. You got to go in between the repeats. This way is very friendly. It uses the repeats, so that's what makes it easier. Going in the middle and just using the repeats, you know what I'm saying? So pick your preference. If you're in New York City, you know what I'm saying, you should definitely get some good hits doing this. Screenshot this, you know what I'm saying? Any questions, hit me up. Again, this for midday to midday. Again, use your repeats. If you're doing it the natural way, which you're not going to flip the way the numbers came out, the natural way, you're going to use the numbers in the middle of the repeats. But if you're flipping the numbers, it's going to be much easier. You're just going to use the repeats. 9, 1, 9, 1, 6, 4. Then you're going to just mix the repeats in with the box mirror. 6, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8, 1, 9, 3, 1, 9, 8. And we all know it came out 9, 8, 1 for New York. So yeah, give this a shot, y'all. Let me know what's going on with the only using the pairs in your pick 3. Let me know what's going on, because I gave y'all the rundowns for the pick 4, only using the first 2 pairs. But I also gave y'all a rundown for the pick 3 also, using only the first 2 pairs. Like and subscribe. Is your boy Mr. Numbers, and I'm out of here. Peace.